Hey folks, Alexei from STEM Fellowship here, and welcome to the world of COVID-19. This can be an extremely stressful time for many of us, so we've got some tips and tricks for you to figure out how to make the most of the current situation. The most important thing is maintaining your mental health while adjusting to staying at home. First and foremost, it is okay to feel overwhelmed. Try recreating your rhythm by keeping your usual routine. If you usually commute to work, start off with a short walk in your neighborhood, then get dressed, separate your workspace and keep it clean. Now, there is a list of resources we want to share with you that you can use to stay active, stay informed, and even help fight COVID. First, you can get your up-to-date, reliable information from Canada.ca, link in the description, and in general, you are probably safer sticking to government websites and make sure to look out for misinformation on social media. Even though you're staying at home, your physical health is equally as important as your mental health. We've linked an article from the University of Sydney where Professor Emmanuel Stamatakis talks about how to stay physically active during self-isolation. By the way, physically active doesn't necessarily mean dumbbell and bar weights. It can be anything that makes you moving, like dancing. These days we have so much free time, which is a great opportunity to learn new skills. We've linked a couple of resources that give students free courses during the pandemic. Finally, you can even help out while sitting at home. STEM Fellowship is launching our 2020 Undergraduate Big Data Challenge, which is a nationwide data science contest. This year we provide you with data on COVID-19 to identify and suggest decisions and policies in various health areas. Link in the description. Thank you folks, stay safe, and remember, don't forget to dance like no one's watching.